Hi everyone, my name is Christy. Thank you so much for watching my video. Today, the New England Patriots have a big playoff game, so please keep on watching if you want to see how I achieved this New England Patriots inspired makeup look. So the first thing I'm going to do is just take average clear tape and create the line that will allow me to get this perfect wing. So I've already done all of my face makeup. Everything is done except for my eyes and my lips. And I'm going to be recreating what I did on this side so that I can have that blue and white and then a red lip to be the colors for the New England Patriots. I'm going to start out by taking a medium blue shade and building that up in my crease. Next, I'm going to take a dark navy color that will build up the corner and help create that wing. Next, I'm going to take this grayish color and put that onto my eyelid. Next, I have this kind of bright blue shimmer that I'm going to put in the middle of the eyelid to start making a transition color from the dark and then making it lighter towards the front. And I'm going to go back into the palette where I originally took my crease shades and take this other blue color and add that to the middle of my eyelid. Next, I really want to brighten up the inner corners, so I'm going to be taking this white sparkle shimmer eye dust and dabbing it into the corner of my eye and then spreading it out. So I really want to brighten the inner eye, so I'm going to take some concealer and cut a bit of a crease that I can fill in with a brighter white color. So I added the concealer just about halfway through my eyelid so that I could do a transition where it stays dark towards the corner of the eye and can get lighter on the inside. So I'm going to go back in with that medium blue. The concealer is also sticky, so it'll help the loose sparkles stick better. There we go. I'll just pat on the sparkles, and there's a much brighter color payoff because of the concealer now. Now I'll go back in with that white shimmer and blend it out. So now the grand reveal of taking off the tape. And you can see it created that winged eyeliner look, and all I had to do was use eyeshadow. This one's definitely more of a filled in triangle than this side, so I'm gonna go in and even this side out a little bit with that dark navy color. Okay, I'd say that matches up well enough. Next, I'm going to put some blue eyeshadow along my lower lashes. I'm going to go back in with that same blue shade that I used in the crease. And then I also thought it might be kind of festive to put some silver eyeliner along the top of the eyeshadow shape. So now I can go ahead and coat my eyelashes top and bottom in mascara. Of course, I have to put on my magnetic eyelashes. If you want to see how I put on magnetic eyelashes, I've already created a video on that, and I will link it below. I'm going to be using this Wet n Wild bright red lipstick because I need to incorporate the red from the Patriots somewhere in this look. So here we have the completed New England Patriots inspired makeup look. I finished it off with my Patriots hat, I'm wearing my Patriots earrings, and of course I'm wearing my jersey. I'm gonna be honest with you, I tried doing some black under eye paint out of eyeliner and it looked so bad I had to remove it. So I decided on just the blue eyes, red lips. That's pretty festive enough for the Patriots. So if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment with anything you'd like to see in future videos, any feedback you have for me, any questions. Thank you again for watching.